Markham. Now, I don't know what we do about that, because it's simple fact, because it's of no concern to them, not necessarily no concern, but it's not involved, the parish council's not actually involved with it. Technically, we can't ask for a rep to be on that group. Now, if the people on the group of the all of Edinburgh came to the parish council and asked the parish council if they'd endorse their project and support it, even in favour, sorry, not in favour, in principle, then in that respect, then the parish council could actually ask for a rep to be involved within that group, who would then report back to the parish council on its progress. I don't think it's a bad idea, but until we're approached as parish council by the group, then there's nothing we can do about that.
Can I just make an additional comment there? As I tried to explain in my report, the current situation is that we're doing a feasibility study. We're not actually building a memorial wall. Sorry, a community centre. So there isn't a project as such until the feasibility study is completed. At that time, then we can look at who else we get involved.
Yeah.
But we need to know, first of all, is it what the community wants?
Yeah, that's fine.
Early indications are that it is, but until the actual survey is completed, we don't know.
Okay, that's fine, well thanks for that. But obviously, if you feel at any time that you want to involve parish council, then you need to do is come and... Yeah. Okay then. Is everybody happy with that? Does everybody understand what's going on from where we are?